I was unable to successfully add a title to my WordPress post using Gutenberg and Dragon. Nonetheless, I'm going to try and continue to add content. Here I am just in a block, and I'm going to try to add some text. Wake up. This is arbitrary text that I'm trying to add to a WordPress blog post, period. Unlike my title, I hope it remains persistent, exclamation mark. Period. Press tab key. Go to sleep. Dictation errors aside, this is promising. I dictated some text, and it actually remained in this block. So that tells me there's something technically different between the generic block and the title block. That's promising. Let's continue to add some text. My next task is to make a heading. Wake up. Press tab key. Here I am adding some text. Click heading. Press Control Zulu. Go to sleep. Okay, so this is interesting. I dictated some text. I said click heading, hoping that that would allow me to set a heading. It didn't work. My text disappeared. So I just wanted to hit the undo command. So I sent the keyboard combination with my voice, Control Z or press Control Zulu, and still nothing happened. Nonetheless, I'm gonna forcibly, using the mouse, set my focus back in this block and see if I can find another way to add a heading. Wake up. Mouse left click. This is some text, period. Let's find a way to make it a heading, period. Okay, so upon mouse over, I found that the name of this button is add heading. So let's give that a try. Period. Click add heading. I said click add heading, and I don't really know what happened. Nonetheless, I'm gonna keep trying to see if I can figure this out. Select all. Click more options. Click turn into heading. Click heading 3. Press escape. Go to sleep. Okay, so that took some effort. And in order to do so, I needed to know that the accessible name of the vertical 3 dots was more options. But I was eventually able to get done what I wanted to get done without too much frustration. Let's take a look at what my next task here is. Add an image. Wake up. Press tab. Press tab. Click more options. Choose 2. Go to sleep. Okay, so I was expecting add image to be in that handy more options menu, but it wasn't. So let me see if I can figure out another way to add an image. I bet it's on that plus icon. Let me find out what the name for that is. Okay, so it's add block. Wake up. Click add block. Choose 2. Click image. Choose 3. Click Add from Media Library. Go to sleep. Here, I'm presented with a series of unfamiliar images. Since these are unfamiliar images, there's no reasonable way for me to know what the names of these are, so I don't know what to say. I'm hoping I can just get to them with the Tab key and select one with the Enter key. That second image of Einstein is appealing to me right now, so let me see if I can select that one. Wake up. Tab 2. Tab 4. Press Tab key. Press Enter key. Click Select. Go to sleep. Okay, so there's Einstein. I'll call that a successful test. Add a list of 5 items. Okay, which one of these icons is going to let me add a list? I see alignment, edit image. Okay, I probably need to add a new block to add a new list, so I'll go ahead and do that first. One thing I've discovered throughout this test is that it takes 2 presses of the Tab key to get to a new block. I'm really not sure what the horizontal separator between the blocks are, but I'm just going to ignore that for now. Wake up. Tab 2. Press Tab. Click More Options. Go to sleep. Okay, so this is interesting. I see an option for turn into list, but now I'm wondering about order of operations. Do I need to create some text and then select it and then turn it into a list, or can I just start writing a list? That would be my preference. So let me see what happens. Wake up. Press escape. Mouse left click. I'm not sure what happened when I pressed the escape key. I couldn't follow where my focus went, so I just took the mouse and clicked in there. Select all. Press delete. Go to sleep. Let's work on putting this list. Wake up. Numeral 1. Period. Red Sox. Press Enter key. Numeral 2. Period. Yankees. Go to sleep. So, interesting. I don't see an obvious way to just create a simple list. How easy would this be with the keyboard? Yeah, I can add it with the keyboard, but we've still got some weird spacing going on. So instead of doing kind of manually and typing with the list, let's see if there's another way. I'm just going to start a new block. Wake up. Click Add Block. Go to sleep. Okay, so that's what I was missing here. They really want me to think in blocks and start with adding a new block. There's no way to just treat this like a blank page and compose as a keyboard user. Had I done add block and then list, I may have gotten what they were going for. This is kind of a different paradigm. I'm not sure there's any inherent accessibility issues here, but I don't like it for whatever that's worth. But nonetheless, let's keep going. Wake up, click a list, choose two. Red Sox. Press enter key. Yankees. Press enter key. Tigers. Press enter key. Rays. Correct that. Choose two. Capitalize that. Press enter key. Blue Jays. Go to sleep. Okay, just for fun, let me see if I can turn this into a numbered list. Numbered lists are fun, and this is certainly how I would rank these teams. Wake up. Wake up. Click ordered list. Go to sleep. Interesting. Dragon recognized the command convert to ordered list when I said click ordered list, but nothing happened. If I click it with the mouse, it changes. Let me try this again. Wake up. Convert to ordered list. Click convert to ordered list. Click unordered list. Click ordered list. Go to sleep. Okay, that's working as expected. Okay, next I need to add a table. Wake up. Click add block. I'm not seeing a table here. Scratch that. Table. Go to sleep. Okay, so my focus was set on search, and I dictated table, but nothing happened. I'm not seeing any search results. Let me see what happens if I type in my search. Okay, so I started typing table, and the search actually works. That's depressing. Let's keep going. Wake up. Click table. Go to sleep. Okay, I said click table, and my focus is still in the search box here. So, I know I can use the tab key. Let's try that. Wake up. Press tab. Go to sleep. Okay, now I'm angry. I was in the search box. I pressed the tab key. The table icon disappeared. Let me try this again. Table is in the search box. All I want to do is tab. Wake up. Press tab. Go to sleep. All right. That got me on the table. Press enter key. Wake up. Press enter key. Column 1. Scratch that. Column 1. Press tab key. Press back tab. Go to sleep. Okay, quite honestly, if I can't tab between cells here, I have no idea how. Do I really have to click in these tables to add new text? I can't do that. Okay, so I'm pressing the arrow keys, and Focus is responding to the arrow keys. That is not what I would expect. But let's keep going. Wake up. Column 2. Data 1. Data 2. Correct that. Choose 2. Go to sleep. Alright, so navigation was unintuitive, but it worked, and I got it eventually. Now I have to do a YouTube embed. Let's try this. Wake up. Add block. Click add block. Click blocks. Click embeds. Click YouTube. Press Control Victor. Go to sleep. I happen to have a YouTube URL in my clipboard. YouTube's is progressively the internet's. So I just sent the keyboard command for Control V to send that URL. Wake up. Click embed. Go to sleep. This is so meta. I embedded a YouTube video of another Gutenberg test. Sorry. It's Inception over here. Okay. Let's see what my other tasks here are. Actions at the top. Preview, publish, switch to draft, hide and display the settings. Wake up. Click preview. Go to sleep. That worked as expected. Click publish. Wake up. Click publish. Click publish. Choose one. Click view post. Choose 3. Alright, so far this is working well. Hide and display the settings. And then open more. Click settings. Choose one. Press escape. Click close settings. Click more. Click code editor. Alright, let me see what my next task here is. modify the paragraph. Make a link to WordPress in one of the words. Click more. Click Visual Editor. Go to sleep. Okay, so here we are at a problem I discovered with the title block. I have no idea what to say to set my focus to any individual block here. Traditionally, I would say insert before or insert after, and then any word. So if I wanted to set my focus in that first text block, I could say insert after arbitrary text and be confident that that's where my cursor would go. I'll try that here, but I'm fairly certain it's not going to work. Wake up. Insert after arbitrary text. Go to sleep. Yeah, so quite honestly, I have no idea what to do other than use the mouse. So I'm going to use mouse grid here, but I'm not happy. Mouse grid is the option of last resort here, and now you can watch me play Battleship to try to set my cursor after arbitrary text. Wake up. Mouse grid. 5, 4, 3, 6, 8. Mouse left click. Go to sleep. Okay, that was doable, but it took way more time than I'd like. I'm pretty aggravated here. But now let's make a hyperlink. While I've got this toolbar on the top, let me find out what the accessible name of the hyperlink command is. It's link. Cool. That's promising. Wake up. Select WordPress blog post. Click link. Go to sleep. Oh, this is funny. So, Dragon has a command called click link. And when you say click link, Dragon highlights every link on the page. So I said click link, wanting to select that icon there and say the accessible name of that icon. But I had totally forgot that I triggered a baseline Dragon command. So that's what happened here. But that's fine. When I said click link, the link itself was link number 14. So I can hit that. Wake up. Click link. Choose 14. www.wordpress.org. Press enter key. Go to sleep. Oh my gosh. So it says, please fill out this field. I definitely filled out that field. Let me do it again. Wake up. www.wordpress.org. Press enter key. Please fill out this field. Again, I'm dictating text. It appears to go in there, and then it's not persistent. It disappears. Let me try this with the keyboard. Select all. Press delete. I pressed delete, and it somehow dismissed the link box. Okay, let's try this whole task again. Wake up. Mouse grid. 5. Mouse left click. Select WordPress blog post. Click link. Click link. Choose 14. Come on, man. Okay, so I can do this with the keyboard, but I can't use Dragon at all to input text, despite what the Dragon software is actually telling me. Bummer. Okay, let's keep doing some tests here. Wake up. Align the text to the left when you focus the paragraph. Alright. Wake up. Click Align Left. Go to sleep. So, focusing the paragraph was difficult, but once the paragraph was focused, I was able to align easily. So what's my next task? With the settings on the top, select Fix Toolbar to top. Which icon is that? Okay. So now I know where this option is hidden, and so now I know the use case. Now I just need to do it with Dragon. Wake up. Wake up. Click More Options. Go to sleep. Interesting. I said More Options, and it selected the 3 dots on the block, and not the 3 dots here, because the link or the name for the block level one is More Options, and the main one is just More. So okay, this'll be fun. Wake up. Click More. Click Fix Toolbar to top. Okay, so it appears as though it was selected, but I don't actually know what happened. Oh, okay. Yep, so now I see it fixed to the top. Block options. Modify the paragraph with the block options. You can use the settings wheel at the top. Switch on off drop text. Change the font size and okay. Wake up. Select all. Press delete. This is arbitrary text. Period. So notice I made the text stay here by actually clicking the mouse first. Because I knew if I tabbed away, that text would disappear. Go to sleep. Wake up. Click block. Choose 3. Click block. Eureka. Okay. So here's something I would have liked to see before. My paradigm as a dragon user is say what I see. And so I saw a control with the accessible name block, and I said click block. And when it did, I got all these numbers for other things named block. So that's interesting. WordPress might have a bunch of different things here with block in the accessible name. Let me just play around and see if I can set focus to different blocks. Wake up. Hide numbers. Click block. Choose 6. Go to sleep. Interesting. I expected it to set focus before. This is some text, but it looks like it just created a new block. Wake up. Click block. Click block. Yeah, I'm not seeing any pattern as to what's being exposed when I say click block. So I don't think that's going to be the answer that I was looking for. Back to the task at hand. Click drop cap. Go to sleep. Okay, so I was able to do the drop cap. Ooh, fun with sliders. Let's change the font size. Wake up. Click font size. Click font size. Wake up. Okay, so I'm saying click font size and Dragon's just transcribing the text click font size. That tells me that Dragon recognizes nothing on this page with the accessible name of font size. What is the accessible name here? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Let me see if I can find an answer in the dev tools. It says label for inspector range control font size. So the label here is font size, but Dragon's not recognizing it. Alright. So what's the label for this thing? The actual slider. Let me try that. Font size. Oh, you know what it is? I don't think Dragon responds to the HTML input types. So Dragon might not know what to do with input type equals number. In which case, I mean, that's a Dragon issue. Let me see if because I see a the button element in here. Oh, it's just the reset button. Yeah, okay, so it's the input type equals range. Yeah, and Dragon doesn't know what to do. What's the label for the actual slider widget? Yeah, okay. Wake up. click Control, click Arrange. Yeah, I've got nothing. I'm just going to set. I'm gonna click over here on the slider widget and be happy that I can increment it with the arrow keys up and down. So yeah, that's actually a pretty slick keyboard handling there, and that's nice because Dragon can't deal with the input type equals number or the input type equals range. I can link to a video I have showing that. But again, that's a Dragon issue. That's not a WordPress issue, and you've got some nice keyboard handling here. So, nicely done. Go to sleep. Changing the text color, the background color. Wake up. Click background color. Choose red. Go to sleep. Yeah. Wake up. Click background color. Tab 2. Tab 2. Press Enter key. Excellent. So even though I don't know what the names for the colors are, I still have keyboard support here. That's nice. Wake up. Click text color. Wake up. Go to sleep. Okay, I'm going to expect this to behave like the block, so let's give it a shot. Wake up. Tab 4. Press Tab key. Press Enter key. Okay, that block looks hideous, but at least it's accessible. That's nice. Click Align Right. Choose one. Go to sleep. Yeah, it appears that I was able to use the settings over in this right-hand pane successfully, so that's nice. Add an additional CSS class WP caption. Oh man, if I dictate some text with Dragon and it doesn't stay, I'm just gonna be so angry. But let's do it. Wake up. Whiskey Papa hyphen. Scratch that. Spell. Whiskey Papa hyphen. Okay. Click OK. WP hyphen caption. Press tab. Hey, the text actually stayed there. That's cool. That input field works. I can dictate into that one all day. Go to sleep. Okay, modify the image, modify the list, modify the table. So, yeah. Again, I think my biggest issue is going to be setting focus to the individual blocks. I'm hopeless with that right now. So I'm just going to skip that part and use the mouse to force it. Wake up. Click alternative. Albert Einstein. Click size. Drop the list. Move up 4. Press enter. Press tab key. WP-caption. Yeah, this right-hand pane seems perfectly accessible. It looks like I've got a lot of control over here. Let's modify the list. Let's use the actual list that I used here. Scratch that. Undo that. It appears as though I can't undo anything. Scratch that. Undo that. Yeah, so undo's not working. That's a problem. It works with the keyboard command, though. Interesting. I can't set focus on the number 3, so I actually don't know. Oh, there it goes. Go to sleep. Wake up. Select Yankees through there goes. Press delete. Backspace 2. X-ray. Scratch that. Spell X-ray. Go to sleep. Okay, so I was able to modify the list, but it was clunky. Modify the table. Wake up. Click more. So I said click more. Go to sleep. So I said click more, and it's showing me 2 here, but I wonder where 1 is here. Wake up. Click more. Choose 1. Press escape. Edit as HTML seems promising. I think I'd be much more comfortable in HTML than Gutenberg. Click table. I said click table, it highlighted these. I don't know what they do. They probably move the block. Scratch that. Choose one. Yeah, these are gonna let me move the block. No. How to add anything to the table. I'm just gonna give up. Okay, manipulate the blocks. Move the image above the H2 heading. Alright, this is going to be where I call it a day. But let's go ahead and do it. Click image. Choose one. Click move up. Click move up. Click move up. Click image. Choose one. Click move up. Go to sleep. I'm saying click move up. You know, it appears that though the name of this control is move up. I'm saying it, nothing's happening. This appears to only respond to the mouse. Let me see if I can set focus with the keyboard and like hit spacebar or enter or something. Wake up. Click image. Wake up. Click image. Choose one. Press spacebar. Spacebar didn't work. Press enter. Go to sleep. Enter works. Okay, so I did it, but I never want to do it again. And oh, that's it for me.